Summer is here, and it's the perfect time to get fit, feel your best, and enjoy everything this vibrant season has to offer. The key to achieving a healthy summer body isn't about extreme diets. It's about creating lasting habits that help you look and feel your best every day. If you've been looking for a simple yet effective way to shed those extra pounds, boost your energy, and embrace a healthier lifestyle, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll take you through a summer diet plan for women with quick and easy tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine for a leaner, more energized body. Let's dive into it. When it comes to achieving your summer body, the most important factor is what you put into your body. It's not just about losing weight. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients to feel more energetic, maintain a balanced mood, and look your best in that summer dress or swimsuit. The good news is that making simple changes to your diet can transform the way you feel. A diet that's rich in whole foods, vitamins, and minerals will not only help you shed excess weight, but also improve your overall health. So what does a healthy summer diet look like? Let's break it down. Hydration is the foundation of a healthy summer diet, yet it's often overlooked. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and sluggishness, making it harder for your body to burn fat and stay energized. In fact, drinking enough water can even help curb your appetite, making it easier to manage your weight. Start your day with a glass of water to jumpstart your metabolism, and aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day, more if you're exercising or spending time outdoors in the heat. To make your water more exciting, try infusing it with refreshing flavors like lemon, cucumber, or mint. Not only does it taste better, but it also provides additional detox benefits for your body. Fruits and vegetables should be the star of your summer diet. They're low in calories but packed with nutrients that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. These foods are also high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes healthy bowel movements. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and veggies is not only good for your body, but it also supports your immune system and gives your skin a healthy glow, perfect for those sunny days. Include leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula, along with colorful peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and berries. These will help keep you hydrated, promote healthy digestion, and support your overall well-being. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, especially if you're staying active during the summer. It's also a great way to control hunger and prevent overeating. Choosing lean protein sources helps you build muscle without the extra fat. Some great options include chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, eggs, and legumes. Protein will keep you feeling fuller longer, help maintain your muscle mass, and assist in fat burning. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or adding it to a salad, lean protein should be a regular part of your meals. One of the most significant culprits behind weight gain, energy crashes, and bloating are processed foods and sugary snacks. These types of foods not only contribute to empty calories, but can also lead to inflammation in your body, which hinders fat loss. Instead of reaching for those packaged snacks, opt for whole, nutrient-dense alternatives. Swap sugary sodas for sparkling water, candy for fresh fruit, and chips for air-popped popcorn or homemade vegetable chips. By reducing your intake of processed foods, you'll see a noticeable difference in your energy levels and overall health. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you're not mindful of your portions. Portion control is essential, especially when eating calorie-dense foods like nuts, avocados, and oils. One helpful trick is to use smaller plates, as studies show that people tend to eat less when using smaller dishware. When preparing meals, try to fill half your plate with vegetables and fruits, 1/4 with lean protein, and the other quarter with whole grains or healthy fats. Being mindful of portion sizes will help you keep your calorie intake in check and make it easier to achieve your weight loss goals. Meal planning is a game changer when it comes to sticking to a healthy diet. When you have meals prepared ahead of time, you're less likely to make unhealthy choices or skip meals. Spend a few hours each week prepping your meals, whether it's chopping vegetables, grilling protein, or assembling salads in mason jars. This will save you time during busy weekdays and ensure you have healthy, nutritious meals on hand whenever hunger strikes. Meal prep helps you stay on track, reduces stress, and prevents you from reaching for those takeout menus. Exercise is an essential part of any healthy diet plan. When it comes to summer, staying active not only helps you shed unwanted fat, but also improves your mood and boosts your metabolism. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity each day, whether it's walking, cycling, swimming, or an outdoor workout class. Mixing up your exercise routine will keep things fun and challenging. And don't forget that activities like yoga and stretching also improve flexibility, reduce stress, and help with recovery after intense workouts. Mindful eating is all about paying attention to your food and your body's signals. It's easy to eat on the go or multitask during meals, but practicing mindful eating can help you eat more slowly, enjoy your food, and prevent overeating. Pay attention to how your body feels before, during, and after eating, and aim to stop eating when you're satisfied, not stuffed. This practice not only improves digestion, but also helps you tune into your body's true hunger cues. Tracking your progress is one of the most effective ways to stay motivated on your diet and fitness journey. Whether you're keeping track of your weight, body measurements, or how you feel each day, logging your progress can give you a clear picture of your achievements. Use a journal, an app, or even photos to track how your body is changing. And remember, progress isn't always about the scale. Focus on how you feel, how your clothes fit, and your energy levels. Getting that healthy summer body doesn't require drastic diets or extreme workouts. It's all about balance. By making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle, like staying hydrated, eating more fruits and vegetables, focusing on lean protein, and getting regular exercise, you can achieve lasting results that will help you look and feel your best. What are your go-to summer health tips? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips and motivation. Here's to a vibrant, healthy summer.